Hello and welcome to How to Solve YouTube channel, where we share tips and tricks in just a minute. Hello guys, welcome back to our channel, and for today I'm going to show you how to recover your deleted pictures or deleted posts on your Facebook account. So if you want to learn on that, please keep on watching. So first step, you have to go to your Facebook app on your phone. In other Facebook apps, you will be able to see this under your Facebook information. But in my case, I think it is also an update on other devices. You will find it under privacy policy. After that, in this page, it explains what privacy policy covers. So just scroll down, until you see download your information. Okay, so this is what we need. Click on that. And then you have to choose Facebook. Here you can see the informations that you can download. So just deselect all. And you can see we have here messages if you want to download your messages. Then saved items and collections. And basically all your information on Facebook. But since we just want to recover deleted photos or post, we will just select on post. After that, scroll down. Then you select the date ranges that you want to or post that you are looking for. Then your preferred format and quality. After you completed that, click Create File and wait for a couple of minutes when the file is ready to download. So be patient because sometimes it takes a couple of hours or even days to create your file depending on the date ranges you selected. After how many minutes, you will be receiving a notification on your Facebook that the file is ready to download. So just click on that and it will redirect you to this link. After that, you have to log in to verify that you are authorized to download Facebook information. So after logging in, click download and you will find the downloaded file under your files folder. And there you have it. You have here your downloaded posts and photos. Please like and subscribe for more content, and also don't forget to click on the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever we post a new video. We'll see you next time.